Namaste to all the students. I am Jivin Bhavna Verma, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University from Department of Science and Technology under Faculty of FEM. So today we are going to discuss on a session that is the basic difference between the lossy and lossless compression. Okay? So there are basically two types of compression technique that we have already discussed, and what are the method that we have used. We have also discussed these methods earlier. Now we just discuss and just learn the basic differences between the lossy and lossless compression. That are basic. First one is lossy compression and second one is lossless compression. Okay, so loss, what does do you mean by lossy compression here? So first difference is lossy compression is a method which eliminates the data which is non-noticeable. Okay, not noticeable. So means it works on the elimination of the data. So therefore you call it lossy compression because it loses some data. And what do you mean by lossless compression? In this, while lossless compression data does not eliminate and uh, compression does not eliminate the data which is not noticeable. Okay, so in the scenario we can say that data is whole data is compressed one by one, and data doesn't lost. Okay, so data doesn't lost, therefore it is named as lossless compression. Second one is in lossy compression, a file does not store or rebuild in its original form. Okay, okay. So recovery of file from its original image is not possible. Where in compression, while in lossless compression, a file can be restored in its original form. I hope you understand the basic term. Now next one is in lossy compression, data's quality is compromised. So there is compromise in data quality, but in lossless compression does not compromise the data's quality. Here no quality of data is compromised. Okay, you can use the image fully as you have restored. Okay, lossless compression reduces the size of data. As usual, I have already told you that lossy compression means elimination of some data, so it reduces the size. Next one is lossless compression does not reduces the size. Okay, so whole quality of the image is as it is, because there is no elimination of data, so size of data is as it is and does not reduce. Next one is algorithm used in lossy compression are transform coding. So what does it use? It uses a basic different types of coding techniques, coding techniques or compression technique that we are used. So in lossy compression, the technique name is transformation coding, discrete cosine transform, and discrete wavelength. While the algorithm used in lossless compression are run length coding, Lamper ZIV Welch coding. ठीक है, next one is Huffman coding, etc. ठीक है, और next one is arithmetic encoding also included in this type of compression. Next is next is lossy compression is used in image, audio, and video. So lossy compression technique does not uh, exist for image, while it also existed for audio and video quality. While lossless compression is used in text, images, and sound. Lossless compression is used in text, images, or sound. It doesn't use in video. Okay, and lossy compression does not use for text. Okay, next one is Next one is lossy compression has more data holding capacity. Because the data is eliminated, the quality is get reduced, so it has more holding data capacity. Next one is lossless compression has the data holding capacity than lossy compression techniques. Okay, so it has less data holding capacity because the size of file is quite high when compared to lossy compression techniques. Okay, next one is lossy compression, also termed as irreversible compression, because once the image is compressed and data is reduced, it can't be uh, similar to the original pictures. Next one is lossless compression is also termed as reversible compression, because the data you just compress, you can reverse this process and take the original photo back. Okay, so I hope you understand the whole session, that is the basic differences between the lossy and lossless compression. These are the two different types of technique that we use in audio, video, and sound category, and text as well. So I hope I hope you have cleared the session. If you have any query, mention in the comment section. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University.